Here's what professional real estate investors said were their biggest mistakes when they were first starting out. Number 1, not setting up the financing correctly. Incorrectly structured financing or working with the wrong bank can actually shut you down from buying more rental properties in the future. Number 2, picking the wrong area to invest. Just because it's in your neighborhood or you found a great deal on a cheap property that you think is going to bring you some great cash flow doesn't mean it's the right investment. Number 3, analyzing the numbers correctly. When you're estimating the performance of a property, not taking into consideration certain hidden expenses can tank your deal, or even worse, leave you with a losing property that's sucking money out of your pocket every single month. Number 4, not doing the proper due diligence. Ever heard of the expression trust but verify? You need to know what you're looking for and how to cover yourself when you're inspecting the property and finalizing the purchase offer. Number 5, construction and renovation. Picking the wrong finishes, undertaking unnecessary renovations, or working with the wrong contractor can not only delay your project, it can destroy your ROI. Number 6, managing your property. Do you manage the property yourself or hire a property management company? How do you run credit checks, vet tenants, deal with maintenance issues, collect rent, or in the worst case, how do you evict tenants? These common mistakes and many more will be addressed in my free 1-hour training webinar. Learn the same tips that have helped so many other investors save thousands of dollars and cut their learning curve in half, transforming them from dreamers into actual real estate owners and investors that are making money every single month. So let me ask you, are you going to sign up?